Before we can use AI well, we need to understand what it actually is. In this video, we'll break AI down into simple ideas: what it really does, how it learns, and why it's so powerful today. Let's take a clear, no-hype look at what AI truly is. This channel is about learning how to learn, using AI as your smartest study partner. Today, I'll show you how anyone can learn anything by asking better questions. When you chat with AI, every answer depends on one thing: the question you ask. If the question is vague, the learning stops early. But if you ask precisely and follow up critically, you unlock layers of knowledge, just like a good teacher-student dialogue. The AskSmart 5-step learning cycle. Step 1. Define what you truly want to know. For example, I want to understand how AI learns from data. Step 2. Structure. Break it into smaller questions. For example, what's data training? What's a neural network? Step 3. Knowledge test. Ask AI to explain, then question it. For example, can you give a real-life example? Step 4. Reflection. Summarize in your own. Step 5. Expansion. Explore further. For example, how could this apply to language learning? That's how we transform curiosity into true understanding. Question 1. What exactly is AI in simple terms? AI is basically a tool that learns patterns from data. You give it information, and it figures out how things relate. Then, when you ask a question, it uses those patterns to give you the best possible answer, whether that's an explanation, a plan, or even something creative. It doesn't think like a human. It predicts the most helpful response based on what it has learned. In simple terms, AI is a smart pattern learning machine that helps you get answers and ideas instantly. Question 2. What are the main types of AI, and how are they different?
Here is ChatGPT response. Here are the main types of AI you'll hear about. First, narrow AI, which does one specific task, like ChatGPT, Siri, or Google Maps. Second, general AI, the idea of an AI that can learn anything a human can. We don't have this yet. Next is machine learning, where AI learns patterns from data, like spam filters or recommendations. A more advanced version is deep learning, which uses big neural networks to understand complex patterns. And finally, generative AI, which can actually create content: text, images, audio, or video. These 5 categories cover almost everything happening in AI today.
Question 3. What is AI actually capable of right now? And what are the things it still cannot do?
Here is ChatGPT response. AI is very good at understanding and generating language, answering questions, summarizing information, and translating. It can also create content, including text, images, video, audio, and even code. AI learns patterns from data, which helps with things like fraud detection and recommendations. It can automate routine tasks such as customer service, scheduling, and drafting reports. And it can support decision-making in areas like medical imaging, quality control, and tutoring. But AI also has clear boundaries. It can't think like a human. It doesn't have real understanding or emotions. It cannot guarantee accuracy, and sometimes it can be confidently wrong. AI also struggles with reliable physical actions. Robots are still limited in real-world tasks. It lacks true common sense and the kind of life experience that humans use every day. And importantly, AI has no independent intentions. It doesn't make its own decisions. It always needs human direction. In short, AI is powerful in language, patterns, and automation, but it still depends on humans for judgment, common sense, and real-world understanding.
Today, we learned that AI is a pattern-learning machine. It doesn't think like a human, but it predicts useful answers from what it learns. We covered the main types of AI, from narrow and machine learning to deep learning and generative AI. We also saw what AI can do today, like language, content creation, and automation, and what it still can't do, such as common sense, physical tasks, and independent decisions. Here are some good prompts you can try right now. Ask AI to plan, explain, or summarize what you learned today, and then add your own twist. The more clearly you ask, the better AI can teach you. Remember, good questions lead to smart learning. Here's your daily AI learning challenge. Ask one smart question today, something that matters to you. Apply the answer, test it, and see what happens. One question a day may seem small, but it builds a powerful learning habit. Let's wrap up with what really matters. Learning starts with one good question. AI can guide you, explain, and test you anytime you want. If you ask one smart question each day, you'll keep growing every day. Remember, ask smart, learn smart, live smart.